This tutorial covers how to lock and hide apps on your iPhone using a new feature in iOS 18. First, ensure that your device is updated to the latest version of the operating system. Once updated, locate the app you want to secure and press and hold it to access additional options. Among these options, select Require Face ID. Activating this feature will require Face ID or your passcode to open the app or display its content in other areas, such as notification previews or spotlight search. This effectively places the app in a stealth mode, ensuring added privacy. After enabling the feature, attempting to open the app will prompt Face ID authentication. Additionally, there is the option to hide and require Face ID, which removes the app from the home screen entirely. Hidden apps are instead moved to a hidden folder, accessible only after authenticating with Face ID or your passcode. To locate the folder, navigate to your app list, tap on the Hidden folder, and authenticate to access the apps within. You can manage these settings further under the new Hidden Apps section in the iPhone settings. By selecting specific apps, you can customize their privacy settings, enhancing the overall security of your device. This new feature offers users deeper privacy controls for their iPhones.